This is the only high school student-run natural history museum in the United States. We have 4 main collections of taxidermy in the museum. Again, conservation has changed a lot. The impact of taking a single animal in the 40s was minuscule. Taking that animal now creates drastic waves in the ecosystems that are there.
They have one hoof that just like split in half, so 2 toes. It actually allows them to run up inclines of 60 degrees and above, which is really amazing.
This is now a fully redone exhibit. I had 20 students, including Zoe, including Natalia, including Bailey. Every single thing there, from the design to the writing to the editing to the things to go inside the dioramas and exhibits, came from students. I teach them, but they teach 3,000 kids a year.
These are our 2 main invasive species. Both of them can be found in the Everglades.
When you see them at pet stores, they're like this big, and then they get to be about 6 feet long, and they need all this space and food. And so a lot of people can't take care of them, and they let them go into the wild. And since there's no natural predators there to stop them from spreading, they just kind of take over the whole ecosystem and mess it up.
This is our latest animal ambassador. Her name is Olive the Sun Conure. She is a beautiful, beautiful young parrot. We got her from a reputable breeder.
Is doing really well when it comes to being in big groups of people, like we've been working with her. Birds have the potential to be really picky about what kind of people they like, so we try to get her socialized with as many different genders and races as we can.
They were poached by illegal pet trade folks, and their populations have dropped by 90%.
And these are all Coho Salmon.
These are all Coho Salmon, yes. A high school student drew this on the chalkboard, and from that, what you see here. It's been going on for 39 years now. The idea is, at the end of the day, is outside of the box thinking with it all.
It's amazing. It's a public school that is keeping these Coho salmon alive.
You collectively prove the promise and the potential of public education. And it's not just the hatchery, it's not just the wildlife museum. It's just listening to your dedication, figuring out how to connect to kids.
This is the center of environmental education in public schools in the country, and no one knows about us. That hatchery has been here for 30 years. This program has been here for 30 years, and our kids have been running these things bare bones, collecting data on salmon, raising fish themselves, teaching little children for decades.